All right, today I want to show you how you can insert blank rows that are empty, right? After each and every rows with data. For example, after Apple, okay, that's Apple. In row two, insert a blank row. So what I've done is I've pressed Control, Shift, and plus. Do it again. That will insert a blank row. After Microsoft, we can do the same thing. Control, Shift, plus again, and you can keep doing that manually, but it's not efficient. Okay, so let's do it in a more quicker way, right? So let's what we're going to do is to add a column. Let's call that a helper column, okay? A helper column, and then um, add numbers in sequence one, two, three, okay? Add one, two, three numbers in the sequence to the last row. So let me double click that to filter down. Double click that filter down to the bottom. If I do Control down arrow, that will bring it to the last row. So let me go back to the top. Control top arrow will take me back. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy that entire column from number 1 to 40. Okay, and if I want to insert two blank rows, I'm going to paste, do a Control V twice. One, I'll do the second time. I'll go to the bottom, Control down arrow, and paste it again here. All right, so what I've done is if I want to have just one blank row after each, all I just need to do to insert Control C, Control V once, to do that copy once and copy and paste once. But now I've done it twice, correct? So let me insert a filter on that top row, Control Shift L, right down, come to the helper. You can do an ascending order. So you see, you've brought all the ones together. So that's a strategy to bring all the ones together. If you want to have more than two, you'd have copied it more than two times, so that is how to achieve blank rows, to insert blank rows after each of the uh, row with data. So now you can just do what? Control minus delete this. So we've managed to insert those blank rows. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.